In this video, I want to show you how to put a timer on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and Air phone. So this way you can be in the frame if you need so. So to activate the timer on the camera app, tap the 6 dots, over here. And once you type those, you're going to get more options on the other side, including timer. If you press on timer, you're going to have to choose between off, which is by default, 3 seconds. Oops, if it disappears, do the same thing. 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds. Let's say I want 5 seconds. So I'll tap here and automatically it will have the timer enabled. And you can see over here the number 5, simply reminding you that there's a timer. So frame your shot, press the trigger button, or oops, right over here, the camera button as well works. And the timer has started. On front, the flash will do a countdown, you see, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it will take the picture. Now it's important to note that the timer stays there even after you took your picture. So if you press again on the trigger, there will still be a countdown. It's not off. To turn it off, go the same place, press the 6 small squares, and then timer, and turn this off. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.